That text you just sent, why does the silence feel so loud? This ancient Stoic practice reveals why you're giving your power away. Your phone buzzes. You check it instantly. It's not them. That sinking feeling is a modern anxiety. But this isn't a personal flaw. It is a control error. You are waiting for an external signal to feel okay. Stoicism begins with a single split. Separate what is yours from what is not. Your actions and judgments belong to you. Their reply and their time do not. Every refresh of your screen is a tiny vote. You are voting to outsource your calm. Let's make this tangible. Imagine you sent a crucial proposal to a client. The hours stretch. Your mind races. Are they unhappy? Did I make a mistake? This is the noise. The Stoic move is silence, not their silence, your inner silence. Pause. State the fact alone. The proposal was sent. No reply has been received. That is all. Your judgment of that fact is the source of your storm. Now, take this micro move. Open your notes. Draw a line down the center. Label one side, my zone. The other side, their zone. In my zone, write my effort, my intent, my next task. In their zone, write their response, their timing, their opinion. This is your split sheet. Look at it. Your power is only in the first column. Return your attention there. Now we go deeper. That anxiety is not just in your mind, it lives in your environment. You have trained your world to trigger you. Every notification is a bell. You jump. This is a conditioned reflex. The Stoics called this guarding your inner citadel. You must place gates at your senses. Let's reframe your phone. It is not a slot machine for validation. It is a tool you command. Think of a different scene. A friend leaves your message on read while making plans. You see, they are online. The story writes itself. They are ignoring me. I am not a priority. This is the definition stage. Delay the story. Define the facts neutrally. The message was seen. They have not responded yet. Now, do the decisive thing. Physically place your phone in another room for 25 minutes. Open a book. Wash the dishes. Fully engage in a single manual task. You are not waiting. You are living. You are reclaiming your attention by placing a literal gate between you and the source of distraction. This break is your bell, signaling your own priorities. This final step turns practice into principle. You must build a morning ritual of immunity. Before you check any device, you claim your day. This is your inner scorecard. Sit for 5 minutes. Ask yourself 2 questions. What is within my power today, and what is not? Your focus is within your power. Their reply is not. Your integrity is yours. Their approval is not. This daily rehearsal wires your brain for agency. You are not resisting the urge to check. You are fulfilling a more important commitment to yourself. Your focus becomes a polished stone, smooth and solid in your hand. The ping of a message is just a pebble dropped into a deep well. It creates a ripple, but it cannot shake the foundations. You are the well. You hold the depth. The decision is now yours. Will you let a silent device dictate your inner world, or will you start tomorrow with your scorecard? Your calm is your creation. Build it.